Welcome! By default, when you launch Photoshop CC without opening an image, you are taken to the home screen, which provides access to recent files, links to resources, and convenient access to opening and creating new documents. To create a new document, you can either go to File menu and choose the New command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-N, or just click on the Create New button to the left of the interface here inside the home screen, which will open the New Document dialog box. Go ahead and give your document a name. Then, there are lots to choose from when it comes to document type. If you know the exact size needed, choose Custom and then just type in those dimensions. Or choose from one of the pre-made template options. You can change the units for the width and height values by clicking on the drop-down to the right of the width and height. You can also set your desired resolution and select your background color. And then click OK. And now you have your new document opened inside Photoshop. Let's go back to the home screen by clicking the home icon. Also, you can open a file either by going to the File menu and choosing the Open command, which has a keyboard shortcut of Ctrl-O, or you can open it from the home screen by clicking the Open button here on the left side of the interface. Then go ahead and navigate to the folder that contains your file. After you select the file you want, click the Open button, and the file will be opened inside Photoshop. Another way to open a file is to right-click on it and choose Open With. Then choose Photoshop. But if it's not there, then you will have to browse your computer for Photoshop.exe file. So go ahead and select Photoshop in order to open the image. You can also open an image by dragging and dropping it inside Photoshop, and you will get the same result. And that was, my friends, a few ways to create a new document and open files inside Photoshop.